What communities are near Resolute Bay? Have you ever wondered what life is like in one of the northernmost inhabited places in Canada? Resolute Bay, also known as Qausuittuq, is a small Inuit hamlet located on the southern tip of Cornwallis Island in Nunavut. This unique community is home to around 180 to 220 residents. It was established in the 1950s when Inuit families relocated from Pond Inlet and northern Quebec. Now, let's talk about the nearby communities. Resolute Bay is quite isolated due to its location in the high Arctic. The closest inhabited communities are small Inuit settlements within the Qausuittuq region of Nunavut. However, these communities are separated by vast distances across Arctic waters and tundra. One of the nearest communities is Grise Fiord, located on Ellesmere Island. It holds the title of the northernmost civilian community in Canada and lies northeast of Resolute Bay. Grise Fiord is the only community that is farther north than Resolute Bay itself. Another nearby community is Pond Inlet, which is situated on Baffin Island to the southeast. Interestingly, Pond Inlet is the community from which some Inuit families were relocated to Resolute Bay back in the 1950s. Then there is Arctic Bay, also located on Baffin Island, just south of Pond Inlet. This community is another Inuit settlement that shares cultural ties with Resolute Bay. Lastly, we have Cambridge Bay, which is on Victoria Island to the southwest. While Cambridge Bay is a larger regional center, it is still hundreds of kilometers away from Resolute Bay. These communities are primarily connected by air travel, as there are no roads linking them due to the challenging Arctic environment. Resolute Bay serves as a gateway for scientific research and Arctic expeditions, often coordinating with other northern settlements. In summary, Resolute Bay is surrounded by other Inuit communities scattered across the high Arctic and Arctic archipelago. The nearest communities include Grise Fiord to the northeast and Pond Inlet to the southeast, both separated by considerable distances. This geographical isolation shapes the lifestyle and logistics of life in Resolute Bay and its neighboring settlements.